Hi students, how are you? I hope that all of you are very much well. After a long period we meet again. You join in my music class. Due to the midterm examination, I stopped to upload the videos. Now again I'll start to upload it. So day by day you can get the musical video and you can learn the music. Just you finished your midterm examination. I hope that you given your examination fine, and now it is the time to concentrate again our mind in our study. So I given the music syllabus for the half yearly examination. Two parts are there, theoretical part and practical part. Examination will be held in the half yearly exam time. So practical part you are learning, you are getting from the videos which I am uploading it. So from there you can get, but theoretical part, that is this, I given some definition of the musical words and 22 questions I given. Every answers of this question I'll provide you in PDF form, so no need to worry about it. Not only that, I'll provide the definition of the musical words. So theoretical part you can get in PDF form, so no need to worry. Just you'll follow the musical class, okay, for the practical syllabus. You know that this is the very much old situation is going on. The pandemic situation is going on. Due to that, we'll chant the mantra so that we can get the power. So today we'll learn the Surya Pranam mantra. Okay. Now early morning we have to chant this mantra. Surya Pranam mantra. Namo Java Kusuma Sankashang Kashyapeyang Mahaddutim Dhantaring Sharva Papagnang Pranatashmi Divakaram. So at first you will write in your copy Namo Javakushuma Shankashang Kashyapeyang Mahaddutim Dhantaring Sharva Papagnang Pranatashmi Divakaram. I written, you can see. So by giving the pause you can write first, after that you will start to sing with me. Namo Javakushuma Sankasham Kashyapeyang Mahadutim Dhantaring Sharva Papagnang Pranatashmi Divakaram. Namo Javakushuma Sankasham Kashyapeyang Mahadutim Dhantaring Sharva Papagnang Pranatashmi Divakaram. Namo Javakushuma Sankasham Kashyapeyang Mahadutim Dhantaring Sharva Papagnang Pranatashmi Divakaram. Namo Javakushuma Sankasham Kashyapeyang Mahadutim Dhantaring Sharva Papagnang Pranatashmi Divakaram. नमो जवाकुसुमसङ्काशं कश्यपेयं महादुतिं धन्तारिं सर्वपापघ्नं प्रणतोऽस्मि दिवाकरम् नमो जवाकुसुमसङ्काशं कश्यपेयं महादुतिं धन्तारिं सर्वपापघ्नं प्रणतोऽस्मि दिवाकरम्. Okay, so you will practice it. In next video I'll do the revision first. After that I'll give the new lesson. Okay, bye, take care.